Easy steps on how to create and load Moolah Player account. Step 1. Log in. Write the username and password provided for you. Step 2. Create account. Click Create account on the upper right corner. Step 3. Account fill out. Fill out account for the username and password. Do not enter any unnecessary spaces on the username to avoid error. Recharge account. To recharge, search up the player's username. Click Update next to their username. Then click Recharge and enter the amount you'd like to recharge and click Recharge. Redeem account. To redeem, search up the player's username. Click Update next to their username. Then click Redeem and enter the amount you'd like to redeem and click Redeem. Hit subscribe and don't forget to share this video.